Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to delete all archive stories on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. Open up the Instagram application. And then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then select Archive. You can see there are options such as Archive from Post, Story, or Map. The first one is Story. As you can see, there is no such way of archiving stories all at once. You have to do it one by one. Tap on the story. There are three dots with bunch of options. Go to Delete, refresh the page. Thus, your archive story has been deleted. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.